Welcome to the story of how I made this tripping hazard. But first, a quick disclaimer. If you are one of my siblings, do not watch this video. You know who I'm talking to. Do not watch this video, sibling. Both of you. Okay, now that I have hopefully gotten rid of all of you, you guys know who you are. Now, welcome to my little sewing video. This is a sewing video in which I unsuccessfully show you how to make this flowy skirt. Basically what you need to do is you need to find a bunch of panels of fabric. You need to sew them together into a big tube. You can make 2 tiers like I did. And then you're just going to sew all these things together into little patchworky things and then cut some fabric. Ooh, look at my hand. It's so bendy. Okay, so see, then we have our fabrics. We have one long strip on the bottom and then slightly shorter tier on top. Oh, and I forgot my bobbin was unwinded, so I needed more bobbin. Yay! Look at this amazing footage. And then here is all my transparent fabric. Look at that, all that nice stuff. Just chilling. You can see me through it. Woo, I'm a ghost. And this is all my fabric laid out and sewed together. So see, I've got the bottom, and then I got the top. Oh, and there's an elastic. Make the elastic the size of your waist. And then you're going to do some more sewing. This part of the sewing was in which I basted the top part of the lower part of the skirt so that I could ruffle it a little bit. What's it called? Gather it a little bit. But then I ran into some problems and things went very poorly. But you know, I did a lot of seam ripping and suddenly I have a skirt. And it was way too long. It was quite a tripping hazard. But then I hemmed it a little bit more and ta-da! Look at that. It's a skirt.